Hello. In high school, I took high-level math and learned how to integrate complex functions. Last semester, I took a computer science class to understand a different way of thinking. I'm the president of Debate Club in my spare time. I've helped rebrand my mother's homemaking business. What my diverse set of experiences all have in common is an entrenched curiosity about the world and a deep desire to challenge the status quo. As a fourth year urban planning student at the University of Waterloo, I don't fit the profile of a typical applicant. However, I am intelligent, I'm creative, and I think my unique position can add value to Work&Co in a way that others cannot. First, I am passionate about innovation. Having lived in the entrepreneurship residence velocity, enrolled in business and technology classes, and participated in multiple pitches, I've developed a deep interest in and understanding of innovation. Most recently, I was successful in reaching the Waterloo finals of the Halt Prize, a multi-stage social entrepreneurship competition where my team pitched a vertical farming solution. As the team leader of a multidisciplinary group of engineers and computer scientists, I was responsible for guiding the team through the ideation process and strategically applying entrepreneurship theory to test the validity of ideas. During later stages, I took the responsibility of creating a financial model for a proposed idea and reaching out to connections in the development sector to gain insight on key blockers. While we did not progress past the Waterloo finals, this involvement is indicative of the entrepreneurial spirit and drive that I bring to Work&Co. Secondly, I'm familiar with creating data-driven design. A key component of urban planning involves creating a human-centric public realm. This involves analysis of activities in the space, the transportation patterns, the social-political context, and the environmental conditions. It is only after understanding and synthesizing this data can we propose a new design that best accomplishes the intended purpose of the space. This is a highly iterative process where each component requires detailed design justification in order to communicate with the public, clients, and architects who design the space. These skills are directly applicable to my role as product manager that require me to think critically about the function of the digital product and its user, create roadmaps, and iteratively test designs. My background in urban planning gives me a unique perspective on user experience vital to my role at Work&Co. Finally, I have superior project management or organizational skills. As a senior member of the UW Debating Society, I recently served as tournament director for a debate tournament for over 200 students. This included working with a 5-person team to coordinate all food, accommodation, socials, registrations with external universities, and daily programs. Thus, I'm well versed with breaking up large, formidable tasks into smaller, actionable ones, determining schedules, delegating tasks, and reacting to changing priorities. Overall, I want to work at Work&Co because your vision of working collaboratively to create new tools inspires me. I'm likely not the most experienced intern you will hire, but I promise I'm likely the most passionate. I'm passionate about user-centric innovation, and I believe that Work&Co would be the perfect environment to hone those skills further. Thank you very much for your time, and I sincerely hope that we get a chance to know each other better through the interview process.